Civil authorities from all over the goddamn place have issued an explosive Karen alert, effective until June 1st. There have been multiple reports of a stampede of 30 to 70-year-old women with very shitty haircuts have overtaken local communities. They are all armed with pistols and expired gift cards and they want to speak to the goddamn manager right now. The Karens have mostly terrorized grocery store workers with Glock 18 pistols in the following states: Michigan, Ohio, New York, and New Jersey. And for some reason, England. Is this the end of the world? Probably. We already had enough happening and now there are people being shot on Inauguration Day. It even has people like Karen herself saying, "Fuck you!"
Oh,
There are reports that people who claim to be managers are asking the Karens to leave for violating their no weapons allowed policy, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving reports that Karens are walking naked into intersections and yelling at cars to slow down while carelessly shooting pistols in all directions. These get insanely fucking funnier each year. Anyway, as I was saying, wait, why do I hear footsteps? Holy ice cream shit sundae with titty sprinkles. 93 pistol-wielding Karens just entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not put that pistol up my ass.